Have you ever wondered what it actually means to own a piece of a company? Let us break down the basics of stocks. At its core, a stock represents equity, which is just a fancy way of saying you own a portion of a business. Public companies divide their ownership into millions of tiny pieces called shares, allowing everyday people to become part owners. Investors generally look for growth in share price or cash payments known as dividends, which are distributions of company profit. Stocks represent ownership, while bonds represent a loan you give to a company or government. They play very different roles in a portfolio. Over long periods, the stock market has historically trended upward, though short-term volatility is a normal part of the process. Successful investing often requires a long-term mindset rather than trying to time the market's daily movements. Stock ownership is a foundational step in building wealth. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning.